To install iTunes U, begin by tapping the App Store icon. In the App Store, scroll to the bottom. If you don't see your Apple ID at the bottom, please sign in now. Tap Apps Made by Apple. To download iTunes U, tap Get on the right. Tap Install, and iTunes U will download. You can open iTunes U here, or by going to the home screen and tapping the iTunes U icon. Tap OK to be notified when new material is added to your iTunes U courses. Tap Get Started. Tap the plus sign to enroll in an existing course or to create your own course.